In this video, I'll show you how to check your Safari browsing history on iOS 26. On older iPhones, accessing Safari history was as simple as tapping the bookmark icon and then the clock icon or recent, and it would show your history. But iOS 26 is a little different. First, open Safari. Tap the three dots in the bottom right corner. Tap Bookmarks. At the top, tap the clock icon to open your browsing history. Here, you'll see all your visited websites organized by date. You can scroll to find a page or use the search bar at the top to look for a specific site. To delete an individual history item, swipe it to the left and tap Delete. To clear all browsing history, tap the three dots in the top right corner, select Clear, choose your preferred time frame, and then tap Clear History. To clear everything at once, open Settings, scroll down to Safari, and tap Clear History and Website Data. That's it. That's how you check and clear your Safari history on iOS 26. If this video helped you out, please give it a like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.